What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tater Ridge TV. I'm your host, Walker Ross. I appreciate y'all tuning in with us. Hey, while you're watching the video, go subscribe. It's free. Like the video, share it with your friends. We appreciate you guys following along with us. So what we've done today, we come out here, since we're off work, we've plowed up a little bit of a food plot down here in the bottom, scraped it, put out some seed, and we figured we'd do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. Check this out. We have got a Summit Pro safety harness. If you know me and you've known me long enough, I hate wearing safety harnesses. I wasn't growed up wearing safety harnesses. You know, there's a lot of us out there that are that way. But in today's world, the way stuff's starting to advance, you need to be safe. So there's no reason not to have a safety harness. It's took me 20 years to start actually wearing one, so maybe I'm a bad example. But now we're going to unbox this bad boy, and I will not fall out of any more tree stands. So let's do the unboxing. All right, boys, let's unbox this rig. Already cracked the seal on it though. So my daddy always taught me to read the instructions, but I hate reading the instructions, so I'm gonna fool with it before I do any of that. Looks like they give you, this is either a lineman's belt or a tether with 2 carabiners. We'll dive into that in a minute. So that is the Summit Pro right here. So I actually have a safety harness, but it's one of them real big thick ones, and I don't like wearing something thick. And plus it's got like car seat belt buckles on it. I'm just not a fan. So I think this is Summit's newest safety harness. I could be totally wrong, but it was the one that looked best suited for me. Right there's stretchy, so that seems good. Let's try this sucker on. It's got these good clips on it too. I don't like them other kind of like car seat belt buckles at all. So let's see. And it's quiet too. I can already tell you it's quiet. It's got like this rubber piece right here. That way when you're not clicking it together, it's making a lot of noise. Another thing I seen about it online is it's got these like mesh padded straps, and they're, you know, not big nasty straps. You see it's got these that go like this. Yeah, and see, that's super quiet. I know you probably can't even hear that on the video because it don't even make a sound when you click it together. So that's nice. Let's see. No, that's my belt. That's the wrong one. And here we go. That's what I was looking for right there. That's nice. Got this little thing here. You can wind this sucker up. That way it's not dangling all over the place. And y'all, I can already tell you, this thing is slicker in a dang manner. It's low profile. You barely even feel it. It just feels, I mean, it don't feel like nothing. It don't weigh anything. These are elastic. Feel good. I know a big thing with, I'm not bashing any company because I don't dabble in any of that, but like I know the ones I looked at, like the Hunter Safety System harnesses, they had the straps that were like, they're just different. They look more harder to deal with than these. So you've seen how easy I just put this thing on. This is a large too, so it fits like 34 waist up to like 42 inches or something like that. So you can do that better than I did. I just did it for that purpose right here. So I mean, that's it, man. You see what we got? We got our thing here, and some of these other safety harnesses, man, they'll drag 10 foot on the ground. This one don't seem to do that at all. So you know, that's it. I'm telling you right now, these you don't even notice these are on, and they're comfortable too. I can tell you that much. No kind of restriction at all. So I'm going to get up in this ladder stand right here, and after I get that helicopter out of my eye, I'm gonna get up in this ladder stand, buckle in and show y'all just what it's like. Also, I was fumbling around with this thing, and I noticed on the website it said it had something to do with like you had something to help you drag deer with. I didn't know what that was, so I just fumbled around and found this big old thing that I just pulled out of my pocket, and I'm betting you money that's what you used to drag that old big buck with, which, you know, that could work. But anyway, it goes right in this thing right here, man, totally out of the way. I wouldn't even noticed it was there if I wasn't really looking for it. So that's also a cool accessory. So also the cool thing it sends you with is this life safety rope here. You can use it as a tree to wrap around the tree while you're climbing up. See, it's got a carabiner there and a carabiner there with that prusik not attached. So you got 2 in 1. Instead of like having a saddle, you would have to use 2 ropes. So you can use that to climb the tree with. So it's gone from an unboxing to a how-to, I suppose. But I'm just showing you, man, this is good stuff. So you get up in the tree without falling out, you put the rope probably eye level. Take your open end of your life safety rope, there's your prusik knot, put it through the hole. That can't go anywhere. Take your prusik, slide it up. And get one of your handy dandy carabiners. You'll want that through there. You'll want to attach your carabiner in there, tighten that up. And as far as I know, you're in like Flynn. I would also make sure you dress your knot up and not have it all funky. Make sure it's good and tight. So you can really grind your gears on and it's not gonna come out. I'm probably not gonna jump out of this tree to see if it works, but I definitely trust it more than not having one on. So as you can see, I've got full range of any kind of motion. Also, if you're gonna be in a ladder stand using this thing, it's probably a good idea to put this thing down before you put this all together. But anyway, that's how it works. I'm super excited to use this thing this year. I bow hunt a lot, and sometimes I'm out of a saddle, so obviously I don't need a safety harness, but I mean, you can see I'm sitting down in it right now and I've got tons of room. You're safe. That's all there is to it. I think Summit knocked it out of the park with this one, I really do. But anyway, I'm saying if you're looking at a safety harness, you should definitely try Summit Pro. Well, we've come to the conclusion that we like this safety harness. I climbed up the tree and fooled with it, so let's see if it'll hold my hind end. Put your prusik through your open end, pull your closed end through. At normal hunting height, I'd put it about my forehead. For this, I'm just gonna put it up a little higher. Slide my prusik up. I mean, I can't go down hardly no farther, but you're hung in there like a boy dog. The only bad thing is it might squeeze your bag to death, but I'd rather have a squeezed bag than I would be dead. So, and you can see it's not slipping or anything. This right here is stretchy too, so it's a little bit of a shock absorber. But I mean, you're in. That's all there is to it.